Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Red color. The next one is blue color. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. The last one is yellow ochre color, and now we draw alphabets. First we use red color. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets. A for apple. Now we draw B. The next one is C. We again use red color. C for cow. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog. The next one is E. E for elephant. Kids, now we use blue color and draw the letter of F. Now we use blue color. F for fish. The next one is G. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. We again use blue color, and now we draw H. The next one is I. Now we draw the letter of I. Yellow color. Kids, now we draw J. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon. We again use yellow color, and now we draw N. N for nose. Now we use black color. And draw the letter of O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. We again use black color, and now we draw S. The next one is T. Kids, now we draw U. U for umbrella. Now we use green color. The next one is V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use yellow ochre color. And now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. The next one is 3. And now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. We again use yellow ochre color. Kids, now we use again red color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. And now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.